Good day. My name is Bill Carr. I'm the Chief Mobility Architect at the Com Solutions Company, and welcome to another Aruba Networks Tech Tip. Today we're going to be unboxing an MST200, which is meant to be deployed in pairs as a point-to-point bridge. Many of you have not had the opportunity to see this product or utilize it. It's a very powerful tool for short to mid-range point-to-point links. So let's take a look.
So here we have a box with an MST200 in it. We'll take a quick look and see what's inside of it. Since we've opened and broken the security seal on the top, we have a Mesh OS Quick Start Guide. This product does not use the standard controller-based code. It actually uses the Mesh OS from the Azalea acquisition. And then we have a Mesh Router installation guide. We removed the plastic covering. We'll actually see this is the actual MST200. We'll remove the unit, take a look at the base of the unit. On the bottom we have our PoE in and Ethernet in. We have a console port in. We have LED indicators for RF, PoE, and Ethernet. Have the large heatsink based on the back of the unit and the holes for the mounting bracket. Very self-contained, very easy to use, small unit. So let's take a look at what's in the mounting kit. So these are the components that are inside the mounting kit box. We have the backplate unit, which is a mount to go on the back of the MST200, which has slots in it which allow the mounting plate to be rotated on the back of the unit. We have another backing plate which is meant to be pole mounted or wall mounted, and also provides the hinge mechanism to allow vertical adjustment while mounted on a pole. We have the backing plates for the pole mount, which would allow this to be wrapped around a pole and mounted as such. And then we have the various hardware to provide that pole mount, as well as the hinge and the backplate mounting to the back of the unit. We also have an RJ45 waterproofing and coupling kit for our inbound PoE and Ethernet connection, as well as an Ethernet or a USB A to A cable for our console.
So now let's take a look. We've actually mounted a unit outside of our building. Let's take a look at the mounting. So now we have a unit mounted on a J-pole, securely mounted to our cinder block wall. Coming out through the wall, can't see behind the J-pole, but it's actually a sealed fire-stopped hole which brings out our grounding cable, which comes up to the right to the back of the MST200. We also have our Ethernet cable, which comes up to our waterproof connection into the base of the unit. And this is actually the partner unit paired up with the MST200 you just noticed. This is a building approximately 100 yards away with fire-stop seal, our Ethernet and grounding cables connected to the unit, strapped to the J-pole. And you'll notice this unit is powered up and has been aligned, and we actually have 5 LED indicators on the base of the unit to identify our signal strength. And now that our units are both up and operational, we're going to log in and actually go to the Tools menu under Troubleshooting, choose Wireless, and execute the ActiveLinks troubleshooting tool. This will then go and pull a report of our peer radio, what our output rate is, our current status, how long we've been up, our current link quality, our data rate, and then actual throughput data. We can also get some long-term statistics on our SNR using the SNR graph, where we can then choose window, how long we're actually going to view on this graph, and then our refresh interval. We're seeing today an SNR averaging between roughly 58 and 60, which is actually much higher than it was when the unit was initially installed. This happens to be because today we're actually experiencing some very heavy snowfall in the Northeast. We hope that this was very informative. If there's any additional questions you have regarding the MST200 and how this unit can be used to provide some short to mid-range point-to-point connections for you, please make sure you visit our website at www.comsolutions.com or contact your account rep or email us at sales@comsolutions.com. Thank you very much.